Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable low quality image mode in messages on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on messages. Next, scroll down again and tap on low quality image mode. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or slide it to the left to switch it off. Now when this is on, images sent will be in lower quality. And that's it. After you have made your selection, swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.